Welcome back to the Watch List. I'm Lindsay Melchek. I'm dipping today into the real estate sector with Parvis Invest. Parvis Invest, actually, one of their pieces of news, just launched the $60 million Parvis Direct Access Fund, opening institutional grade real estate to everyday investors and targeting high growth sector across Canada. Hello, David. Pleasure to sit with you today.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
So before we get into that new fund, I want to actually talk about Parvis's growth to this point. Tell us about this.
Yeah, we're a relatively new company. We started a few years ago. We're now regulated in all Canadian provinces as an exempt market dealer. And really, we do things differently. We use various technologies to make institutional grade real estate and alternative investments available to a greater audience. And we've had really good success so far. We leverage basic technologies like AI and blockchain and other techs really to make the investment process smoother. We've had really good growth last year. I'm quite proud of the growth that we've had. We had a 250% investor network growth. Obviously, we have products as well to offer these investors. So we have about 40 different issuers on the platform, most of which joined us last year. We also doubled our team, and our transaction volume grew to about 2,800% from what it was the year before. So yeah, we're on the right track.
Definitely on the right track. You've really hit the ground running this year already. Let's
Yeah, we have.
let's actually talk about this new fund, and we'll talk about, to start off with the accessibility focus. So how does the fund make institutional grade real estate more accessible for everyday investors?
Yeah. Well, first of all, the fund is accessible to both eligible and accredited investors in all Canadian provinces. And we've lowered different types of barriers for the regular investor that wants to have access to quality real estate and alternative investments. So concretely, that means a $25,000 entry. It's RSP registered account eligible. We also rolling out our secondary market to offer more liquidity to our investors. And we're connecting retail investors alongside institutional investors with quality builders and developers in Canada to address various issues like the need for new housing that everybody's been talking about.
That's a definite target pain point right there. So if anybody can relieve that, the more the merrier for sure. Now, what about the company's market priorities? Which sectors and regions are the key targets for the fund and why?
Mhm. We are going to be active in various asset classes, mainly multi-residential, but also hospitality that seems to be in high demand currently. And we're going to deploy funds in asset classes in different provinces as well. Obviously, we will target BC, Ontario, and Quebec, but we'll also look at alternative and underserved markets.
Now, Tim, let's flip to the future impacts then. How will the fund shape the future of private real estate investing in Canada?
Well, hopefully, we'll be able to provide quality products to more investors directly in a seamless way. Our product will be available directly on our platform or through traditional means like FundServe. So investors can just call their regular advisors or a Parvis dealing representative, and we'll be able to facilitate the transactions. From probably a more macro level, we hope that we can contribute to the housing crisis in Canada to build more properties and to get more funds into the hands of quality builders that are on the ground and building properties.
Well, way to trailblaze, and I can't wait to hear more. There you have it, the perfect key takeaways always for your portfolio needs. Thank you, David.
Thank you so much.
Again, that was David Michaud, founder and CEO of Parvis Investment. To learn more about them, check out their website at parvisinvest.com. And of course, to join the conversation and for all your market news, head to stockhouse.com. I'm Lindsay Melchek. Thank you for watching.